burgers today. We're going to start with a little bit of onion. That nice and diced up. That junk out of there. Okay, that's plenty there. Got our onion, doing some green beans, veggie burger for the woman, and then we got the burger using some 50-50 ground beef and venison. Got pepper dog over here. Oh yeah, big pepper dog. And in the burger, we're gonna put some Better Burger seasoning. Generous amount in there. A little bit of this spicy barbecue sauce, that's pretty good. And because I like it, a little bit of garlic. Oh, yay much. That goes in, and we mix. So there's one. There's two. Try to get these about the same size. There's three. One's a little bigger. Not going to be the end of the world. Got some utensils here. We got our spatula, our chopper scraper thing, and our big burger press. I'm going to butter some buns, and then we'll be back outside. Got our burgers, our green beans, veggie burger, buttered bun, some cheese, some butter. Got some bacon, my materials, some seasoning, some onion over there. Now we're going to get going. I just got to grab my oil. Start this off. We're going to do green beans first. We'll just get a little bit of oil down in there. Toss some butter on there. Put the oil on first so we don't burn. Toss these guys on here. Get them nice and coated. And now we get the base for our burger. Butter, back over here. Pepper. That would be the. And now we take the burgers. Set them down. That's my dog barking. Take our wax paper. And we smash. This one. A little too aggressive on that one there. We'll just put him back together. Get a little smash. Grab our onion, sit back over there. Veggie burger, just toss him in the corner for now. And I'm gonna grab some butter for our onion. Hit these with some Better Burger seasoning. You ever see a butterfly? Whoop! Carrying these around town. To see this juice on the burger like that, it's time to flip. And some bacon, warm that up. Buttered bun. Perfect. 2 patties leftovers. We got our bacon burger, and it's kind of melting and sliding off here. But that is going to be delicious. Get that bacon on there. And we did manage to lose some onions, so that's unfortunate. But we'll take these ones on the top here that didn't touch the ground yet and just sprinkle some of them on there. And then it looks like Pepper's going to get a late night treat. Take our bun, put it on there. Green beans. Let's eat. Perfect.